Welcome to our tutorial on how to cook fish in 2 delicious ways. Today I'll be showing you how to fry fish to perfection and how to make a flavorful fish stew that will warm you up from the inside out. So let us get started. These step-and-step instructions are so easy to follow. Those are the fishes I'll be using. I have 3 different types of fishes there. That is what I found in my freezer. Okay, and we are going to cook them and they are going to come out yummy. What I'm doing now is that it's removing of the scales. It's very important that you remove the scales of your fish. If you're using fish that has scales, if you don't remove it, you will not enjoy your fish. So you need to go round with your knife and remove all the scales. What I'm doing now is removing of the fins. This is also important. You're not going to cook your fish with those fins. You need to remove it. Shout out to Blessing if you were any other chooks. Thanks for liking our recipes. Thank you for your likes and comments. God bless you. It's now time to remove the guts. Like I've said, I'm cooking the fish with the head. I'm not cutting it off. All right. So that is it. They are now ready. I'm not going to cook it whole like this. I'm just going to cut them into 2. If you haven't subscribed or if you're not following us, please do so. Subscribe, follow us, like and comment. Thank you. So those fish are already well washed. It's now time to add salt. I'm adding seasoning into it. I'm adding curry, Cameroon pepper, Corriander powder. Yes, those are the seasoning I'll be using for this fish. Try it and you're gonna thank me later. We are not done. Make sure you watch this up to the end. All right, so I'm transferring it into a bowl that has a cover because I'm going to marinate this for around 30 minutes. You can leave it overnight. It depends on how much time you have. So after 30 minutes, that is the vegetable oil I'll be using. I added onion into it and garlic as well. Now heat up the oil. What I have here is all-purpose flour. I'm going to knead it. Now bring my fish out. That is the fish, well marinated fish. All you need to do now is coat it, lightly coated, not heavily coated, okay? Coat it lightly with the all-purpose flour and drop it into the oil. I'm frying this on the middle heat. So when the first side is golden brown, now I flip it over. Be careful. After flipping it over, you have to fry the other side until it is golden brown. Lovely. The aroma I'm having here from the onions and the garlic in that oil and this fish with those seasoning we used, this is amazing. So I'm satisfied with this golden brown color. Now I present to you my fried fish. This is perfectly fried. Okay, we are not done. Like I've said, we'll be cooking our stew. Now get a pot. I'll be using some of the oil I used for frying the fish. What I have here is my pepper mix. If you want to see how I prepare this, check the comment section. That is the pepper mix I'll be using. Okay, it is frozen. I just dropped it into the oil. I covered it and I allowed it to defroze. That is seasoning mixture. It's optional. Okay, I'm going to show you how I prepare that later. What I've just added into it now is oregano, garlic powder, rosemary, seasoning, chili powder if you want it hot, a little bit of salt. Remember, we fried salted fish in that oil already. Okay, it's now time to cover and cook. I cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes because that pepper mix is already boiled. It's already done. So look at it now. It's now time to add the fish into it. I'll be using a spoon now to cover this the fish with stew, with this already well seasoned stew. So give it a good mix like this. This is the best way to mix fish stew. Shake it together, now cover and simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Always remember to shake it together, okay, to prevent it from getting burnt. So let's have a look at it. Oh, that is the best part I love from fish, that is fish head. I'm rocking this with rice. You can eat this with anything. I'm telling you, with swallow, with bread, with yam. So let's check the inside, how it looks. This is juicy and delicious. Thanks so much for watching our tutorial on how to fry fish and cook fish stew. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to try these recipes at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.